If you watch this video now, you're going to make $11.74. And if you watch this one, you're going to make $14.09. Here you can see you get paid $29.82 to watch a YouTube video. How incredible is this? And then you can see somebody just received the payment of $1,167. Now, if you come over here, you're going to see lots of good reviews about the platform. And then the shocking part of it, as you can see, more people are getting paid. Baby Jane was paid $1,614 via PayPal. Now you can see countries that have received, employee, Mozambique, Nigeria. You can see Sweden, right? You can see Afghanistan. So this means that wherever you are, you're going to get paid, and that is according to this website. Now I'm going to come back and talk more on this website shortly, but first, let's talk about the entire videos that has been made on YouTube. A lot of creators have made videos on how you can get paid watching YouTube videos. Almost everybody is talking about shrinkme.io, that process that you go over to YouTube, you search for trending video, you copy the link, then you go to shrinkme.io, you shrink the link, and then you share it with your friends, your social media, and all that. And once people click on it, you get paid. Now, before I go ahead and show you my earnings on shrinkme.io, I want you to make sure you watch this video to the end because I have a special package for you. If you have never made $1 online, then this video is for you. I got concerned and I decided to make this video to help you make money online and give you the right foundation for you to start making substantial amounts of money online every single month without chasing shadows. Now, I will encourage you to make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss that part because I came prepared, right? But first, let's go over to shrinkme.io so that I can show you how much I've earned on shrinkme.io following YouTubers that said that I can make money watching YouTube videos. So here's my shrinkme.io account and this is my link. Of course, you can see here, my URL is shocking video of me. Shocking video of me. Now, I'm going to show you how much I made from this. Now, I've got only 1 views and that should be me. And I've made $0. Now you can see referral earnings is $0. Now I didn't proceed with this because of 2 things. One, it's very spammy. Now let me show you something that will shock you. If I come over here now and copy this link for it to open, of course, this is the link you're supposed to share with people. It comes up like this. So as you're trying to get something out of it, it keeps opening tabs. So it's more like spam. And it's more like a virus as well because it has opened another tab here. You can see it opened this tab now. And if I don't know, I can as well go ahead and install this extension and then they can have control over my computer. Now, if you click here now, it's going to open another ads. A lot of things that you have to go through before you can get to the actual video. And not everybody have that kind of patience to go through all these things just to watch a particular video. So it's spammy and it's going to kill your integrity. This is one way you cannot make money watching YouTube videos. So now that I have this out of the way and I've protected you from wasting your time on this platform, let's move over to the platform that I talked about in the beginning of this video. But before then, in case you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. And now let's move over to the first platform that I talked about, which is this one. I had to go undercover to find out if it's legit or not because it's too good to be true. Can you imagine someone paying you $8 to watch a 4-minute video? Now, if you come down here, you can see that something funny is happening. It's as if they are paying people every second, right? All these payments you're seeing here, all of them are fake. Let me explain how this platform works. As you're watching videos, you're going to be seeing your money add up on the platform, but you will never withdraw it, right? When you want to withdraw it, they will tell you that you have not gotten up to the threshold, which is about $200 or thereabout. And then when you get to $200, when you end up to $200, they will now tell you that you have to pay withholding tax. That means you have to pay them upfront before you can be able to withdraw the money. And that is where the scam comes in. So they've ripped a lot of people off and those people have gone out to complain about this. Now, why I'm sharing this is to protect you from some creators that all they care about is just views. They just want you to watch the video. They don't care if you're going to get ripped off or not. And that is why I take my time to do all this research to get you the best of platforms so that you don't fall into all these issues, right? Now, if you come over to Trustpilot here, you're going to see that this platform has been rated bad reviews, right? Now, if you scroll down, you can see a lot of people complaining about the platform. Everybody's complaining about it. And these are probably people that got the link from YouTube without knowing that is a scam account. Now, here's the truth. If you're looking to make money online, I will advise you stop chasing shadows. There's no easy money anywhere. You have to put in the work, and if you don't put in the work, you're going to keep falling for scams. You're going to keep wasting your time over and over and over, and you will not make any money. And even if you're going to make money, it's not going to sustain you unless you don't have any responsibilities. But if you're an adult and you have responsibilities, you've got bills to pay, I encourage you to look for things that will give you a good foundation. You need to build a solid foundation of making money online, and then when you have that foundation, then you can now start trying out anything that you see. Anyone that works is totally fine, and then the ones that doesn't work is totally fine. You're not losing anything, and your bills are being paid. Everything that you need are being paid by that particular foundation that you have, and every other thing will now be an added plus. And I know you will have this question, okay, what is that thing that I will do to make money online? And trust me, there's only 3 things that can make you money online for free. Number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing can make you a millionaire. Freelancing can give you 7 figures, but the problem with freelancing is that you need a lot of skills. And that is why I share digital skills on this platform, so that you can learn a lot of them and then use them to make money. That is the only way you can make money online, by exchanging your skills for money. So if you don't have any skills, you'll be finding it difficult to make money online. So as a freelancer, you need to know how to do a lot of things, because it's in knowing how to do a lot of things that you're going to make a lot of money. Now, the second way you can make money online is YouTube. Now, I can't begin to explain to you how much you can make from YouTube. This channel is less than 1 year old, and I'm already making over $2,000 every single month. And this is away from the revenue that I get from affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, one-on-one coaching, and a lot more. And before I created this channel, I was running solely faceless YouTube channel, and I can't begin to tell you how much I make from my faceless YouTube channel. Before then, it was very difficult. You have to get a voiceover artist, get editors and all that, get a team. But now it's much easier, because there are AIs. You can write scripts, you can do voiceover with AI, and a whole lot of things that you can do with AI. It makes the job easier and makes the entry level very low. I'm talking about YouTube. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a faceless YouTube channel masterclass, and I'm going to break down step-by-step guide on how you can run a faceless YouTube channel without paying for any AI tools. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. And that is more reason why you have to subscribe to this channel, so that you can be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this, and of course that one. And that brings me to the third guaranteed way you can make money online, and that is blogging. Blogging is the most efficient way to make money online, because it gives you so much in revenue and gives you so much in affiliate marketing. If you start blogging today, before the end of the year, you will start making over $3,000. Now, here's the good news. I'm going to be hosting a free masterclass on blogging, where I'm going to be teaching you how to start and run a successful blog. Now, I'm going to teach you how to manage your website, that is your blog. I'm going to teach you how to write articles. Of course, I hope you don't assume that you can use AI to write articles for your blog, because Google will not rank you, right? So I'm going to teach you a professional, easy way to write multiple articles every single day. And I'm also going to give you a blueprint and strategy that you can use and implement, and then get your blog monetized in few weeks. So if you want to register for this masterclass, it's totally for free. All you have to pay for is for your website, where you're going to be hosting your article, that is your blog. Now, the seats are very limited, because I want just a handful of people that I can be able to inspect their blogs one after the other. So go ahead and click the link in the description to get all the details you need. But trust me, these are the only 3 ways that you can make money online without investing a dime. So if you don't want to go through the stress of making videos, please go for blogging, and trust me, you will never regret it. As long as you follow my strategies, you follow my blueprint, you do as I ask you to do, you will never regret it. Just give yourself maximum 1 year, and you will start earning 7 figures every month. I guarantee you this. It will not even get up to 1 year, but let's just be conservative and say it's 1 year. So please make sure that you sign up for this masterclass if you can. But if you can't, please make sure you learn as many digital skills as possible, so that you can start making money from freelancing. Talking about digital skills, here is a playlist that I put together for you to learn digital skills that will help you make money online. So go ahead and watch it right now, and thank me later. See you on the other side.